Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens Co here, showing you how to assemble your brand new Ariens Path-Pro. If you ordered your Path-Pro online through a national retail chain store this season, it could show up in your driveway like this, in a large crate. The same crate we boxed it up in at our factory in Brillion, Wisconsin. And though I'm certain the thought of some assembly required isn't the most appealing to you, I'm here to walk you through the easy step-by-step assembly procedure. And trust me, if I can do this one, so can you. So as long as you have your safety goggles and your gloves ready, let's get started. Open the crate and locate the setup guide that's in the envelope adhered to the top of the unit. Each Sno-Thro comes with a pictorial assembly guide that can be referenced when assembling this unit. These instructions are a duplicate of the material we're covering in this video. You'll notice the setup guide calls out a couple tools. For this procedure, you'll need a socket wrench and a 3/8 inch socket. Locate the discharge chute and the chute rotation handle and set them aside. Remove the literature pack and the hardware bag inside the pack. The literature pack contains your operator's manual, engine manual, and other important resources. Cut the crate's corners so its walls collapse. Locate the oil bottle in the cardboard insert, set it aside, and then move the unit off the cardboard. Loosen the wing knobs retaining the upper handlebars to the lower handlebars enough to disengage the handlebar bolts and rotate the handlebars into the operating position. Re-engage the handlebar bolts and tighten the wing knobs. Ensure the knobs are tight and that the handlebars are secure. Remove the packaging material from the unit and discard. Position the water guard over the discharge opening so its mounting holes align with the holes in the unit and that the arrow on the guard is facing forward. Install the discharge chute, followed by the chute rotation handle so their mounting holes align with the holes in the water guard. Secure all parts to the unit with the 3 tapping screws in the hardware bag supplied with the literature pack. Once all hardware is tight, turn the handle to test the chute rotation. Pull the control lever to check the cable tension. If the cable is loose when the handle is released and is taut when the handle is engaged, your tension is correct. If the tension isn't correct, it can be adjusted. To adjust the tension, pull the cable cover up and remove the Z-hook from the adjustment plate. To increase tension, install the Z-hook into a higher hole on the adjustment plate. To loosen cable tension, install the Z-hook into a lower hole. Again, just ensure that the cable is loose when the control handle is released and is taut when the handle is engaged. Open the access cover, remove the dipstick, and check the oil level. This model is shipped without oil in the engine and should not have any oil present on the dipstick, so we'll add the oil supplied in the crate. grab a funnel and wipe it clean of any dirt and debris. Insert the funnel into the oil fill opening and add the oil. Though we're going to pour all of the oil from the bottle into the engine, pour slowly and check the oil level occasionally before the bottle is emptied. After the bottle is empty, remove the funnel and wipe the fill area clean. Reinstall the dipstick, wait a couple minutes, and check the oil level one more time. The oil level should be between the two holes in the dipstick. If the oil level is where it needs to be, reinstall the dipstick and close the access cover. See, I told you that was going to be easy. Now, if you noticed any quality issues such as damage or missing parts, contact the retailer where you purchased your unit from for replacements. Additionally, it's very important that you register your new product at errands.com/registration. For help registering your new product, find the product registration instructional video on the Ariens YouTube channel. And finally, if you guys like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the subscribe button to be notified whenever we share a new video showing you how to use or service your new Ariens equipment on the Ariens YouTube channel.